और गोवा में मादई का इशू चल रहा है, तो आप उसके ऊपर अभी तक ठीक से आपने रिएक्ट नहीं किया?
नहीं भैया, शायद आपने जब मैंने अपॉइंटमेंट मेरा हुआ था एज AICC सेक्रेटरी, जब मैं एयरपोर्ट से निकली थी बाहर, तभी मुझे आप मीडिया वालों ने पूछा था कि महंगाई के बारे में क्या। तभी मैंने आप लोगों को बोला था और स्टेटमेंट भी दिया था कि महंगाई का जो इशू है वो सेंटर और स्टेट का इशू है। सेंटर के हिसाब से मोदी जी ने वो मीटिंग बुलानी चाहिए, और जिसका जितना पानी का हक है, गोवा का हक गोवा को मिलना चाहिए, कर्नाटका का हक कर्नाटका को मिलना चाहिए। और उसमें भी आप लोगों के सामने भी मैंने डॉक्यूमेंट रखा था, जिसमें मेरे कर्नाटका स्टेट के मुख्यमंत्री श्री सिद्धरामैया ने मोदी जी को महंगाई इश्यू सॉल्व करने के लिए लेटर लिखा है। यू कॉल अ मीटिंग, I am ready to come and sit. That time only I had released that document to you all stating कि आपका मुख्यमंत्री जो यहाँ पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड है, जिसको महंगाई इशू सॉल्व नहीं करना है, जिसको गोवा के लोगों का पीने का पानी हो या गोवा के लोगों की चिंता नहीं है, वो मीटिंग के लिए क्यों नहीं आना चाहता है। और उनका बीजेपी का सरकार स्टेट में है, उनका ही सरकार सेंटर में है। जब अपोजिशन कांग्रेस पार्टी के मुख्यमंत्री PM को लेटर लिख सकते हैं, तो इनके खुद के पार्टी के मुख्यमंत्री की इतनी भी हिम्मत नहीं है क्या अपने नेता को बुलाने के लिए, अपने गोवा के लोगों के लिए? कर्नाटका भी सोच रहा है ना सबके लिए, तो आपके मुख्यमंत्री को बोलो जरा गोवा के लोगों के बारे में सोचने के लिए, और एक लेटर लिखने को बोलो PM मोदी जी को कि ऐसा ऐसा इश्यू है, इसके लिए मीटिंग बुलाओ। हमारे मुख्यमंत्री ने ऑलरेडी बोला है कर्नाटका के कि हम आके बैठ के मीटिंग करने के लिए तैयार है।
But they are already going ahead with the project. No, they are already going ahead with the project.
It is the central government. It is the central government which has to do that.
Ma'am, you
The
said
central
PM is
government
compromised.
is not coming.
Ma'am, you said CM is compromised. PM is compromised with whom, ma'am? Ma'am, you not answer. CM is compromised, you said, no?
Which word?
Right
When
now
did I
you
say
use,
that?
now you said no, ma'am, regarding this Madai issue.
Madai issue, I said that your Goa CM should give a written letter to the Prime Minister of India, which belongs to their own party, to call a meeting. To call a meeting. Which my government, Karnataka Congress government, Shri Siddaramaiah ji has already given a letter. So I urge through your channels that if the Goa CM really cares for the people of Goa, he should write a letter to the central government, to the Prime Minister regarding Madai issue, to call a joint meeting of Goa, Karnataka and the center.
No, but there's already the Prava that has been formed. No?
We have full faith in our LOP and the president.
Made a statement that the Congress is compromised in Goa. What do you have to say about that?
What?
That Girish Chodankar has made a statement that Congress is compromised in Goa. So what do you have to say about that statement?
Those who said it are compromised. Congress is not compromised. Those who said it are
See,
It's not mentioned as Congress.
I think which interview or what you are speaking about, I am really not aware of that. What you are telling that Girish Chodankar ji has made a statement that
So it's appeared already in the newspaper. You are not reading
Congress is compromised. One sec. That's what I was going to say.
Opposition.
No. There is a difference between opposition and there is a difference between Congress party. You should be very clear. You don't put your words in my mouth. Don't twist and turn the statements given by senior Congress leaders or any of the Congress party members. It is what interview he has given is the opposition is compromised probably. He has never used the word that the Congress party or the Congress leader. Now you guys only have to tell me what is the opposition in the state of Goa. It is few others also. So my LOP, who is the main leader of opposition in the assembly, is well read and very well during this budget session also. He has been attacking the policies of the BJP government and he has been very vocal. along with him, our Congress MLAs, Alton Ji as well as Carlos Ji, are supporting him with all the documents and speaking against the corruption by the BJP government. So I'm not understanding what you meant and what answer you
So
want from
opposition
me.
also is
So
Congress
you
is
have to
also
ask the
part.
other opposition people. No, I'm telling
So
you
you are
what.
the main, you are the main opposition,
That's
right?
what I'm saying. What my opposition leader is doing in the assembly, I've given you saying about that. Now you people are saying that someone spoke about all these things regarding opposition. So it
So
must
he
be
is-
the
he is-
other leaders like AAP, which already I am telling they are the B team of BJP, and other leaders might be compromised. I don't know about them. How can I speak on their behalf? I can speak only for the Congress party.
So you mean to say Aam Aadmi Party is compromised?
I don't know. That's what I'm saying. Did I give any statement like this? But I stick to my statement that Aam Aadmi Party, last time also I had mentioned, is the B team of BJP. And I stick to that statement.
मैडम एक और बात, आपका कांग्रेस का सरकार है कर्नाटक